Hello, Mr. and Mrs. How are you doing right now, all people? I hope you're doing well. So, on this channel, we will learn how to pronounce English with an American accent. So, if you are interested, please subscribe this channel and thank you so much. So, let's get started in this video.
We're hungry, then I see the restaurant. Then people were on the line. Okay, then I'm not going. Then I've been practiced the whole night.
You're right.
Yeah, and bacon, toast, milk sandwich.
Right.
Bacon, toast, milk sandwich. Okay, we're hungry, then I see the restaurant.
He pronounced this word very hungry. Then I see the restaurant. So look at this word pronunciation, very hungry. And native speaker pronounce this word is very tricky, very hungry, hungry, ry. You notice this word last two letter ry, and this word last two letter ry, and ry make sound re, very tricky pronounce re, hungry, very hungry, very hungry. Then I see the restaurant, restaurant. Very quickly pronounce this letter T. Restaurant. Very hungry, then I see the restaurant. Very hungry, then I see the restaurant.
We're hungry, then I see the restaurant. We're hungry, then I see the restaurant. We're hungry, then I see the restaurant. We're hungry, then I see the restaurant. Then people were on the line. Okay.
And he pronounced this word, then people were on the line. Okay. Then people. Up and down this word pronunciation like a native speaker. People. Then people were on the lie. Okay. And very smoothly links together this word. This were on the lie. Okay. Where on the lie? Run the lie. Okay. Where on the lie? Okay. And look at this word pronunciation, lie. Not pronounce this word line, and not pronounce this two letter N and E, and very smoothly pronounce this word where on the lie. Okay, where on the lie. Okay, then people were on the lie. Okay,
Then people were on the line. Okay. 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 Then I'm not going.
and he pronounced this word, then I'm not going. Then I'm not going. Then I'm not going. Then I'm not going. And look at this word, I'm. Actually, I'm is a contraction. This two word I am. Then you pronounce like that one word. I'm. I'm not going. I'm not going. Going. I'm not going.
Then I'm not going. Then I'm not going. Then I'm not going. Then I'm not going. Then I've been practiced the whole night.
He pronounced this word. Then I've been practiced the whole night. Then I've been practiced the whole night. Then I've been practiced the whole night. And look at this word. He pronounced this word I've. Actually, I've is a contraction. This two word I have. Then you pronounce like that one word I've. Very quickly and very smoothly this word pronunciation like a native speaker. Then I've been practiced the whole night. I've been practice the whole night. Then I've been practice the whole night. And look at this word letter T. Very lightly pronounce this word T. Night. Then I've been practice the whole night.
Then I've been practiced the whole night. Then I've been practiced the whole night. Then I've been practiced the whole night. Then I've been practiced the whole night.
You're right.
Yeah.
And he pronounced this word, you're right, yeah. He pronounced this word, you're right. Then he pronounced, yeah. You're right, you're right. And look at this word, he pronounced this word, you're right. Very smoothly links together these two words. Yeah. So not pronounce this letter R and U and R very smoothly. This is the best opportunity to linking these two words and very smoothly pronunciation in this word. You're right. You're right. You're right. You're right. Yeah. Yeah. And letter T is a very light sound. Letter T. Right. You're right. Yeah. You're right. Yeah.
You're right.
Yeah.
You're right.
Yeah.
You're right.
Yeah.
You're right.
Yeah. And bacon toast milk sandwich.
And he pronounced this word bacon toast milk sandwich. M bacon bacon. And look at this word, this time letter A make sound E. Bacon those not pronounce this letter T because this letter T is a flappy. Those milk sandwich sandwich sandwich. And this letter D pronounced very quickly, so that's why some people you don't understand completely this letter. Sandwich milk sandwich.
And bacon toast milk sandwich. And bacon toast milk sandwich. And bacon toast milk sandwich. And bacon toast milk sandwich.
Right.
Bacon toast milk sandwich. Okay.